Hey guys, so we are back in Marvel Rivals and we are here to talk about the proficiency system in this game. Before we do, please consider subscribing so we can keep bringing you great content like this. So, if you've been playing the game for a while, you've surely come across the Proficiency tab. Now, if you don't know where to find it, we can find character proficiencies in the Heroes section. So let's check out our proficiency with magic. So here on the last tab, we can see proficiency. And here we can see it works very similar to achievements in the game. You have 5 different levels and each level gains you rewards. Nothing that affects gameplay though. You will mostly be getting sprays, emotes, I think they're called banners, titles, that's the word, and so forth. The more objectives you complete, the more points you gain. You can use those points to get to the next level. So for instance, the first level would be agent and you would go up from there in proficiency. Proficiency points do not carry over across characters, so proficiency for magic does not count for proficiency for Hulk. That should be kind of obvious. But anyways, it's that simple, so make sure to enter your next match with these objectives in mind if you are trying to grow your proficiency with a certain character. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.